This video will show you how to send batch emails to lists of people or contacts who are in a widget, in a Macanta query. So we've got our widgets here with the result, and let's say for instance I want to send an email to these 14 people here. So what I do in that instance, I just go send email, and then I can choose which of my widgets I want. So I'm going to go for opportunities. I can then put in a subject line, and now I have my options. I can use a template. If you have a template set up, you can use that to send out, but also because the widgets work on the data objects and not just the contacts, you can then start using merge fields. So I can go in and go for a contact merge field for the first name. I am writing about, and then let's go and find an opportunity field. Let's say that initial call date and time. So our call scheduled for, and then I can merge in that opportunity field so that when this email now goes out, it'll go out with the correct information for each of the people who are in that widget result. And then of course I can edit my signature as with manual single emails. I can attach files. I can also see an email preview. So if I now go in here, it shows me that preview with a simple signature, and then I can send, and that will then send this email with the correct data to those 14 recipients. But let's say I have two groups of people I want to send the same email to. So I can go in and I can say I want to send it to opportunities. I also want to send it to active opportunities, as an example. Now, everything that I've shown you so far holds. The only thing to be aware of is any contacts appearing in both the opportunities list and the active opportunities list will still only receive the email once. They won't receive it multiple times because we don't want to badger people with emails. So even if I appear in that list twice, I will only receive the email once for that. So you have that control over that, and then once you send it, when the batch is processed, you'll then get an email saying, hey, this batch is processed. And you can also go and see if you're sending to large lists, you can see the progress of the batch by going in. If you're an admin, you can go in here and you can see blast progress. And here you'll be able to see the progress for anyone. Or if you're not an admin, under user settings, you can go and view the blast progress for the ones that you've sent. And then you can see whether they're finished and how long they took to send and how many contacts it actually sent to. So that is how to use batch emails from the widgets on the dashboard.